Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see cat6a cable. In this we are going to see how to crimp this cable, and these are the tools which I am using. Because why I am using that cutter I will tell you later. And these are the both crimping tool, because this the teeth has broken. That green color crimping tool I am using only for cutting the cable, and another one for just punching. And let us say this RJ45, and this is the socket which we are going to insert the cable in this only. And only this socket is not enough, we need one more, a small tray. And let us see what is that one. And this is the small thing which we can arrange the cable also, and the tray which will go inside this RJ45 jack. And let us see how we can insert the cable inside, and the color code of the cable. And this tray, it will be going inside. While arranging the cable, it will go direct inside, and we have to check whether the cable is reaching properly inside or not. After that only we have to crimp the jack. Once we have done, next we cannot reuse it, that's why. So we have to fix it properly, and after that only we have to crimp that cable. And uh, we have to use the nose plier also for that. You can see the steel plate after crimping, and we have to make it straight with the cable and just press it properly. Now just we will cut this cable. For that, you can see here, and like an U bend there is, keep the cable inside, and you can see the knife over there. Make it one or two rotation, only one rotate is enough. Because why means, if we give more pressure, the cable will cut inside. So we have to do very carefully. The cable must not get inside, at least it must not come little also. There is another for cable cutting, small yellow. At present I don't have, that's why. And I'm using the same this crimping tool for cutting the cable. Now just let me sleeve the outer layer, and inside you can see that how many layer is there. Now we have removed one layer, and another, you can see one more layer, it's over there. And just you can see, now I have separated two pair cable, total a 4 pair cable. And we have to cut this small wire, like small coil is there, just cut it. For all that purpose, that cutter is, it will be very useful. And we can remove one by one the outer cover. Let me remove this cover. If it's not removing properly, just press it little down and cut by this tool. After cutting this tool, in this cat6a cable, there is one small issue is there, that I will tell you. In this, while you are separating the cable, you can see this orange white, green white, green white, orange white, blue white, brown white. In this, all the white cable, there is no any green lines or blue lines or orange white lines or brown lines on the cable. It will be pure white. So while you are separating time, you must be careful. And also, while you insert this cable inside the tray, you must be very careful. Otherwise, if one cable, if it's changing here and there, the communication error will be there. So we are using as per the standard color code we are using here. And the standard color code which I am using is orange white, orange, green white, blue white, green, brown, white, brown. This is the standard color code we are using here. And you can see just the cable, it's not clear at the end. Let me try to put it inside. If it's not going properly, you can cut the cable equally, so it will be very easy to put inside. You can see that cable, it's not clear. Let me cut it. After that, while you put the cable inside the tray, you just check the color code. Must not change the color code while you put it inside. First orange, white, orange. After that green, white, and keep the green on another side. Let me put the green, white inside. After that blue, blue, white. Now this blue is gone inside. Again blue, white. After that green. Now brown, white. After that brown. So this is the color code. Both end the color code must be the same. After keeping this cable inside, please keep the cable like straight, then only the tray will go inside properly, otherwise it will get stuck. And one more time, you can check the color code whether you have inserted the color code properly or not. Green, orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white. So you can see that cable in the top, like just make it properly. And now just we can keep the tray little down, and just approximately you keep that length which the cable will while going inside that jack. Actually the nail distance, that's enough to go inside that jack. Make it straight properly, and after that you can use that tool for cutting, or you can use the nail cutter. Those who don't have, for emergency you are using like this I said only the another way to cut only, but please don't use that one, that is not as proper way. You can use like this any cutter, that will be better. And another, you will find another tool also for cutting this one, that's very simple. And now we have arranged the cable. After that, just let us put inside this tray, inside this jack. And while you put the cable inside, please try to keep the full cable inside. That's the better and proper way of crimping this uh, jack. It will be looking good and neat. And after that, you can just pull it that steel cover on the top of that cable, and by using the nose player you can press it, and it will be looking very good and neat and clean. For that we have to crimp it. While you press it, just press one or two times. You have to see whether the all those cables reached in front of that jack. After that, you can just press down, and while using the nose player, just press it on both sides. Now it will be looking neat and good. So this is how to crimp the cat6a cable. It's a very easy method. If you like the video, please subscribe and support Thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye bye. See you.